where is the Cotabato Road?
What Cotabato daw?
Cotabato Road?
Saan ka pa dalang Cotabato, sir?
What? I can...
Where are you going?
Going to Tikrit.
You're going to the Cotabato?
Yeah, Cotabato City.
You back there and straight lang po.
Straight.
This way, sir. Straight ahead. You back.
I'm confusing because I something I asked
You asked
some people there told me that I'm gonna go straight here.
way?
Yeah.
You're doing this way. Davao.
Oh, go. I like Davao. Yeah, I like. I'm gonna go. Okay.
4 hours is going to the Davao. You're going straight. You're going straight.
That's Sara Duterte, right? Sara Duterte, which is there.
Pwede man sa Kip
Pag 3 pataas, mag-volunteer preschool.
3.5. Single lang. You're going 3.5 hours. You're going to pass your motorcycle.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, mag-ditsa ako na mag-try mo ito.
Tayo, boy!
Kaya talaga teacher ako, nabiling gawin. Pero balik ka lang ako. Kaya salamat.
Nakapantay na ko nga ako ang job. Walang job. Nagkakaroon na mo yung teacher na tawagan. Nagkakaroon sa kanila.
Salamat kaya.
Nagtas ka na na. Upload mo na.
Mas mata mo pa.
Sige. Ako na.
Salamat.